this is kind of in tribute to both my grandma and grandpa. You know, a lot of times, obviously, my grandpa is the headliner because he's the balloonist, but my grandma spent kind of her latter years really dedicating her time to making this museum a possible place. And so her and my Uncle Mike were instrumental in making it come to life. So I would just say that they are the true reason we're all here and appreciate all that they've done over the years. When we look back to the beginning of the museum, originally the vision was the group wanted to have an IMAX. They wanted to have a really kind of immersive experience. And so unfortunately, funding at the time, we weren't able to do that, but we were able to kind of put in an initial theater, and then over the years, we've kind of progressively built upon it and kind of refined and made it better. So I think it's a really amazing way to tell the story. You know, I think the museum is really great from an exhibits perspective, but to see the pictures, to see the video, to kind of see the story come to life is really what the theater enables us to do.
We've done a ton of upgrades in this theater, from brand new seating. We have a whole new sound system, a whole new projector, a new screen, and a whole new bunch of programming.
This piece, Above and Beyond, is a story about Ben Abruzzo and Maxie Anderson, and it was one of the most fascinating pieces we've ever made because there's so many different hands that have had a piece in this.
Each page tells the story of Ben Abruzzo and Maxie Anderson. So sit back, relax, and settle in at Balloon Museum, where the sky is just the beginning.
Ben Abruzzo and Maxie Anderson, I'm getting choked up. They did some incredible things that people have never even thought were possible. And that was a while ago. And we've covered stuff around the museum, seeing the kids playing around during like Stories in the Sky and all that. And their legacy like lives on for generations to come, which is awesome.
You got it.
This is Above and Beyond, a story. This is just one story. There are endless stories that come out of this museum. This is just one story. We hope y'all enjoy. We hope we do the legacy justice because these are two incredible people that didn't just push the boundaries, they created new ones. So we hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.